Hey guys, it's Riley and I'm here with...
Everyone knows my name.
Rachel. And we're at LAX. We're about to go to Tokyo.
We should have saved it as a surprise.
Oh.
That's okay.
It's not a surprise now, sorry. So yeah, we're just waiting to board and then we have our really long flight. And that part we're not looking forward to, but you know what? We made it through TSA, we made it through everything, we're here, we're excited, we have our yen, and we're ready to go. Anything to add, Rachel?
I don't have pink hair anymore.
Oh yeah, and my hair has some blue in it. It's not that big of a difference though. Now I'm gonna look like the weirdo. Well, next time we talk to you, people, we'll be in Japan. Bye. Hey guys, we made it to Japan. We are in our hotel and it's really cute. It's very small. Well, I'll show you around. Ignore my stuff, but here's the beds. we've been laying down. Here's a little TV. We have a fridge. Oh, and look, they gave us like little pajamas. They had razors and hairbrushes too. A kettle, a mirror. Here's me, I look like a mess because I got really sick on the plane. Here's hangers and the bathroom. Look at it with a bidet. Fancy. Look at that. And my favorite part, look at this shower. It's insane. Look at this. This is so cool. I cannot wait to take a shower. Look at all these instructions though. It seems complicated. So we are gonna go head out soon to just do a little walking around, maybe get some food. But I need to give Rachel a present that I got her that I'm very excited about. So I'm gonna do that. Hold on. Okay, so I'm gonna give Rachel the present I made her. What? Oh, yeah. I got these little friendship bracelets that say besties, and mine has Kuromi, and hers has my melody. And then this one is something I made. So, I'll give it to you, and now you could open your eyes and open it up.
No, you didn't.
I made us matching shirts. You didn't think I'd actually do it, huh? See how cute though. Look at Scooter Tama and a little Onigiri.
Oh my god.
And he's saying, meh. It's Rachel. Do you like it? And look, it's even a cute color.
It is cute.
See?
That's so fun.
We're gonna have to wear these one of the days.
To the airport.
So we will check back in when we're hitting the streets. Rachel's gonna hate me. Hey guys, it is day 2 in Tokyo, our first full day. How you feeling, Rachel?
Good.
We're going to go to Tokyo Tower, which is right here. Dang, look at it, it's tall.
Sweet.
Yeah. Pedestrian route. Whoa, it's cool. Looks like the Eiffel Tower. Ooh, how pretty. We're gonna take you with us on our little adventure. What? Rachel's taking a picture. Tokyo Tower Alley. Aw, Rachel, you're so cute. Look how cute and pretty it is in here. Look how cute. Ooh. A little cafe.
What do they got? They have a coffee drink. A chocolate drink is what I meant to say. Wow, that's so smart.
Reading soda. Lemon soda. Wait a minute. I might have to get that. We'll check in with you guys again soon, because I might need to get a drink. We're en route to the Tokyo Tower. We just got our tickets. Look how cool this is.
This is very much my style.
If Rachel designed a tower.
Thanks.
We got our tickets. Ooh. Oh, we have take a picture. Oh. What is this? This is the map. Ooh, little picture thing right there. Cute. Ooh, look. Pretty. Oh, love. Everybody say love. Oh, here's a miniature version of the tower. A model. Ooh. A mystery ball discovered after half a century. Mystery ball. Alright, let's go. Yes. Rachel loves gotchas. Gotta check them out. Oh, there's an actual little one, and this one's sold out.
The one by our house is out.
Our house? We live here now. What? Spy Family!
Wait, how much
The singing, that's so cute. Oh, look how many ones there are.
I love this one too.
Here we are in Tokyo Tower. Let's go over to the window. Whoa, look at this view. And look at this view. It's so cool.
Oh, that's where we wanted to go, huh?
What?
This time.
Oh, yeah. There it is. So pretty. Ooh. View from this side. Rachel taking a selfie. Alright, so we just got some really cute souvenirs. Got these little coins. You get them personalized too. Look how cute. You can get them a little keychain.
They were expensive though. I got a Fanta.
How's it taste?
Like grape Fanta.
Huh. Didn't see that one coming. I got a postcard and I'm sending to my parents. Hopefully I did it okay because I put the address in a weird spot. But here it is. And then we put it in here. It doesn't fit. Oh, duh. LOL. Hopefully I did this right. Let's see if they get it.
Should we do a haul? Whose glasses?
Oh yeah, haul. Hold on, let me get mine out. Alright, this is our Tokyo Tower haul.
I got this cute mint container. I guess it's not mint, I guess it's candy. It's peach flavored candy.
Yum.
And then I got this cute little, it won't come out. Oh, Tokyo Tower cube keychain.
Oh,
I don't know, I thought it was cute. It was
Looks
just,
like a little dice.
yeah, and it's like made out of like that clear resin. And then I got 2 good fortune charms. One for economic fortune, is that what it was?
Yeah.
And then one for matchmaking.
Matchmaking.
Then next we got
I got little candies as well. Mine are lemon. And then I got, this is for good health. Let's hope it helps me.
And then what else did you just do?
Oh, and then I just sent my postcard.
To who?
My parents, because I'm a nerd.
Yay! And I'm my roommate Fanta.
Look at this, guys. Here's the view. Here, look. Ooh. Ed Sheeran. New album. Huh. Good for Ed Sheeran. And now time to go to the down elevators. Oh wait, we didn't go all the way around, so just kidding. We're gonna walk all the way around first.
Yeah, I just want to know.
Rachel just wants. You're so jingly.
I know, it's really bad. I'm sorry. Oh, there's ice cream.
Ooh. Do not move. soft drinks. I might go get one of those sodas from outside.
Oh, from one of those places?
Here, the
Yeah, I
the
want to try
lemon
that
soda.
chocolate drink. And
You
then
know
we
me
can
with my
sit
lemons.
And then we can sit outside.
Yes.
Okay, wait, are you ready?
Okay. Do it. Okay, should I do a top view? Now that did make me anxious. Makes me think of Katie from Vanderpump Rules though, because she fell through a skylight. That's what makes me scared.
Terrifying.
All right, time to go down.
Drinks!
Yes, drinks. There's actually another shop we found. Ooh, a puzzle.
It's those guys.
I love these little
Oh my
guys.
gosh, they're doing it. This will be you.
Yeah, this one is me, because he's injured. Seems about
Okay,
right.
I think these would be cute.
I think those are cute. Oh, look at the Kirby.
That's cute.
Okay, so we just left Tokyo Tower and I got this yummy yummy soda from Ken's Cafe. It's a lemon soda and it's delicious. And then they gave us free little chocolates too. And now we're gonna sit and chill for a second
Crepes.
underneath the tower.
They're selling crepes.
Ooh, crepes. Ooh, look at over there. I just realized. Look at that. Full like garden things.
I can't get in.
It's good.
Fire.
Fire. Okay, so now we are at a temple, and these statues have these little hats on them. It's to keep them warm. Look how cute. There's Rachel. Look, you see Tokyo Tower right there. It's under construction right now for earthquake resistance. That's where everyone could take a screenshot. Screenshot Rachel.
That make your best meme.
These stairs, even the stairs are cool. It's like almost hard to tell that they're stairs. So this is the bell tower. The tower is where the bronze great temple bell is hung. The bell is struck shortly before the start of the temple ceremony and also to mark the time of day. It's pretty. Like, look how beautiful the architecture of these buildings is. Like, it's so cool. So pretty. Look like how beautiful, like even the woodwork it is. Like the detail is insane.
Again, imagine living here.
It smells so good. Okay guys, so now we're at the Sumida Aquarium that is next to the